Patna railway station. One person has been injured. These are the reports that we're getting currently as we speak. There has been a blast and one person has been injured. Rohit Singh now joining us on the phone line with more details. Rohit, if you can give us an idea of when this blast took place, and besides the one person that has been injured, are there any casualties? Have any others also been injured in this?
Well, the blast has happened in the bathroom of the platform number 10 is there. In that bathroom, two crude bombs, you can say like a cracker that was found there, and one of those small crude bombs has blasted, but no casualty has taken place, and another crude bomb has been recovered and it has been diffused. But who placed these two small crude bombs in that bathroom? And the platform number 10 is not yet known, but those police have reached the spot and they are investigating the case.
Right, Rohit, if you can give us an idea of where the other crude bomb was found? Rohit, if you can hear me?
Yes, go on.
If you can give us an idea of where the other crude bomb was found?
Both these crude bombs were found at the Patna station at the platform number 10. There was a bathroom at the platform number 10. At the side of the bathroom, two bombs were there. One of these small crude bombs blasted, but there was no casualties at that time. Another crude bomb was recovered and it has been diffused by the police. From where these crude bombs arrived at the bathroom and at the Patna station is still unknown.
And what is the situation currently at the Patna railway station? What forces have in fact been deployed there?
Police has reached the spot and they are investigating and trying to find out from where these bombs come and the person is suddenly changed in that station because people are thinking a lot of things that effort by to catch the rally of Narendra Modi.
What about the situation at the station? Has it been brought under control? Have trains been delayed? Is there going to be a problem because of this?
As you know, several thousands of people are rallying for the Hokar rally. Trains that have been organized by the BJP. So obviously at the station there were several people who were there at that time when this crude bomb took place.
Right, Rohit, if you can also just give us an idea, considering there have been several people over there that have in fact gathered for Modi's Hunkar rally that is slated to begin soon in Patna. What about the crowds at the station? Is there a certain way where the government in fact is going to put to sort of manage the crowds and disperse them in an orderly fashion? We seem to have lost the line there with our correspondent Rohit Singh, but this is the breaking news we're bringing you right now. There's been a blast on the platform number 10 of the Patna railway station. No casualties have been reported. One person has been injured. Security forces and the Bihar police in fact are trying to determine who is behind this. Another crude bomb was found in the bathroom, but currently, as Rohit Singh told us, the situation is under control. Crowds are being dispersed in an orderly fashion. Now remember, there are a lot of crowds at the Patna station currently, because 12 trains were even booked today for people and supporters to gather in Patna in Gandhi Maidan for Modi's Hunkar rally. But right now there's been a blast in Patna's railway station on platform number 10 in one of the bathrooms. Another crude bomb was found but diffused on time, and one person has been injured. This is the breaking news we're bringing you right now. No other people have been injured currently. And this is a blast that is coming ahead of Modi's Hunkar rally that is happening at Patna today. We understand that the Chief Minister was not going to be in Patna today. He was going to go to Munger for a yoga session and another ceremony. But we will get you reports and updates on whether the Chief Minister will in fact be arriving in Patna to take stock of the situation. Right, that's the big breaking news we're bringing you right now. A crude bomb has in fact blown up on platform number 10 of the Patna railway station. There's been a blast. The bomb has exploded in Patna's railway station. One person has been injured. There are no reports of any other injuries or casualties that are coming in right now. But there is another crude bomb that was found, but it has been diffused. The Bihar police are trying to currently ascertain who is behind this. Now remember, there were a huge amount of crowd and supporters and who were in fact gathered at the Patna railway station, considering 12 other trains were in fact booked for Patna because of Narendra Modi's high-tech Hunkar rally. This is the breaking news we're bringing you right now. Railway station. Another crude bomb was found that has been defused. The Bihar police and other forces are currently trying to take stock of the situation. Now remember, this is going to be a difficult task ahead of Narendra Modi's rally, considering there were throngs of supporters, big crowds that in fact had gathered at Patna's railway station. Remember, 12 trains in fact were going to be coming into Patna today for supporters to attend Narendra Modi's rally, and so sort of dispersing these crowds off in an orderly fashion, trying to take control of the situation is going to be a difficult task, considering there were a huge amount of people, and this explosion has in fact taken place at the Patna railway station. We understand that only one person has been injured, no other casualties or injuries have been reported. There were 2 crude bombs that were found. These are live pictures that are coming on your screen currently of the community toilet and the bath complex. This is the place in fact where the crude bomb was found, and where the other one exploded. We understand that one person has been injured. Now this blast coming ahead of Narendra Modi's Hunka rally in Patna's Gandhi Maidan, and this explosion taking place as another crude bomb was defused. Let's just listen in to an official from the Bihar police in fact that spoke with us moments ago. Let's just listen in.
यहाँ पे शौचालय जो रास्ते पर प्लेटफॉर्म पर शौचालय इसमें एक व्यक्ति घायल हुआ है, उसको रेफर किया गया है। बाकी जो हमारी बॉम्ब डिस्पोजल वाली टीम है और एफएसएल की टीम यहाँ आके जांच कर रही है।
कोई संदिग्ध की गिरफ्तारी नहीं है?
अभी किसी की गिरफ्तारी नहीं हुई है।
कितने आदमी इंजर्ड हैं?
एक आदमी इंजर्ड है, उसको हॉस्पिटल ले जाया गया है।
और भी बम कहीं से बरामद हुए हैं क्या स्टेशन पर?
नहीं, अभी और सब जगह खोज छानबीन चल रही है, ऐसा कोई अभी बरामद नहीं हुआ है।
That's Manu Maharaj, the SSP from Patna, in fact confirming that one person has been injured in the explosion that took place today in Patna's railway station on platform number 10 in the bathroom where a crude bomb exploded. Remember, now another crude bomb was defused. The SSP confirming that no arrests have been made. The bomb disposal team is currently on ground. The FSL team is currently on ground, and they are searching and combing the place for any other possible crude bombs. Now this is going to be a difficult task for Bihar's forces, considering there was a huge throng of supporters and crowds that in fact have gathered in Patna today for Narendra Modi's Hunka rally. Remember, 12 trains in fact were in fact coming into Patna today for the rally. So dispersing them in an orderly fashion is going to be a big task for the Bihar police ahead of Modi's rally. Dinesh Chandra Thakur, JDU leader, on the phone line with us. Sir, we understand that one person...
उस समय आवाज सुनाई दिया, बताएंगे
क्या क्या हुआ था?
हम तो नहीं थे, लेकिन हम तो चल गए थे उधर प्लेटफार्म पर, यही थे, बताने ला रहे।
Yeah, that's in fact that was an eyewitness account coming. Let's just listen to another one.
घायल तो मैं एक ही आदमी हम लोग देखे।
कितने बजे की घटना है?
अब टाइम तो ना देखने सब बाकी 10 बजे तक
आवाज कैसे हुआ?
धमाका बहुत बरियार हुआ, एकदम बहुत भारी जोर के।
कोई संदिग्ध को देखने में कोई ऐसा आदमी
ना भागा भागी हम लोग नहीं देखे।
आदमी घायल कैसी था?
अब उसको हम देखे नहीं है कि मतलब कैसा ना है कैसा ना, हम चल गए उधर एम्बुलेंस लगे ना तो कुछ ना।
क्या नाम है?
धरना ज्यादा
भैया नहीं